Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hawaiian chicken salad. First, gather all your fresh ingredients, ensuring you have ripe pineapple and tender chicken. Next, prepare your chicken by cooking and shredding it perfectly. Then, you'll mix up a delightful, creamy dressing. Finally, combine everything for a truly delicious and easy meal that's perfect for any occasion. To begin, you'll need to prepare your chicken. Boil or bake 2 chicken breasts until they are thoroughly cooked, then shred them into small, manageable pieces. Next, take 1 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple and drain it very well to avoid a watery salad. Finally, finely dice 1/2 cup of red onion for a subtle crunch and flavor. Now let's create that irresistible creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of mayonnaise until smooth. Then, add 2 tablespoons of the reserved pineapple juice to enhance the tropical taste. Stir in 1 teaspoon of curry powder for a warm, aromatic note. Finish by seasoning with 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. With all your components ready, it's time to assemble this delicious salad. In a large bowl, combine your shredded chicken, the well-drained crushed pineapple, and the diced red onion. Pour the creamy Hawaiian dressing over the mixture. Gently fold everything together until all ingredients are evenly coated. For best flavor, chill for at least 30 minutes before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.